Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to save your Canva project as a JPG with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just head over to your project and just go to the upload section and add any image from your upload section. So I already added this image here. So let's just say I want to save it as a JPG type file. So just go here to the share section and then click here on download. So after you click on download, you'll see the option for file type here. Just click here and this drop down menu will appear. So just scroll down and you'll be able to see the option for JPG here. Just select JPG, and for getting the highest quality you will need the Canva Pro subscription. So just click here on download and your file will be saved as a JPG file type. So that's it with the video guys. It's a pretty easy process. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.